Looking at 198 countries, 59 of them allow elective abortion. Only 7 allow elective abortion after 20 weeks. Canada, China, the Netherlands, North Korea, Singapore, the United States, and Vietnam. At 20 weeks, a woman is halfway through her pregnancy, but typically the fetus is not viable outside the womb. Gestational age limits differ between countries, and sometimes states within those countries. Keep in mind, just because elective abortion is legal doesn't mean it's readily accessible or that every country is the same. The United States, obviously, is totally different than North Korea. Other countries do make an exception and allow abortion after 20 weeks in limited circumstances, including to save the life of the mother. While this statistic seemed dubious at first, the data backed up the claim. We award the elusive Geppetto Checkmark to this factoid.